Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Confessions of the Paper Addict Cut File Shop. I'm going to be using the stitched XOXO one. I did all of the stitching off camera so that didn't take that much time on there. And I used 3 different colors that matched the background of this. It is for my little Mr. Asher Basher. This is the day that he came home. And I wanted to make sure that all of the stitching and everything was done. And now I'm coming in with the middles. I want to get all those little middle pieces back on there so that it looks like O's and not just a big old circle with an X. I mean, I know it's XOXO, but you know, if somebody would look at it, it would look kind of weird without the O's. So you can see me do some of them, and then I stop, and then boom, here's the rest, and then I do the last 2. My dog is coming up to, so when this video goes up, it'll be the 22nd. And if I remember correctly, the 21st is when we went and got puppers. So he has been in our household for a year now. And we got him during quarantine. I just broke down and decided, you know what? We're just going to we're going to do a dog. And Josh allowed me to pick out this one. Well, I just told him, I said, if we're going to have a dog, it's going to be what I want. And I don't care what he says. So I ended up getting a Schnauzer. I found somebody that on like one of the really good breeder websites that we have for the state of Georgia. She's fantastic. I know for a fact I could reach back out to her and probably get a half brother or sister for this little guy. And who knows, we probably may add a second one. If it's up to my husband's decision, we will. But I said he needs to be home because I am not going to do another year of potty training and all of this. No, not happening. So I'm going through all of the embellishments. I'm using the Echo Park, one of the puppy collections. I think it came out last year. Yeah, it had to have come out last year sometime. Because I didn't know about getting Asher until, well, I started in April and then he was born in May. So, and then obviously we didn't get him until June. So I had to have gotten them sometime in between there, these collections. So it's about a year old. And I'm going in with these flags or these banners, and I used some of them on another collection or another layout, and I'm just finishing these up on these. Or on this layout, it's got a couple different spots. All right, these words, these letters, these stickers. Echo Park, if you're listening, which you're probably not, but I'm still going to say it anyway. You need to fix your adhesive. Because you made me wreck so many of the layout or so many of the stickers because they don't come off. Because they didn't cut right. I don't know. I don't know if they didn't get cut right or what, but let me tell you, they do not do well. They don't come off the page well. They tear. And here I am gluing these words up because there's no sticker back to them. Like it's still on the page. So there's my PCA for the day. And then I do cover up one of the XOs, but that's okay because there's plenty of them. So what I did is that I treated this as if it was part of my background. So it is okay to cover up some of the XOs. The only ones I would suggest that you shouldn't cover is the XO that you stitched, the 3 that are stitched. And the only reason why I say that is so that you can, see the fruits of your labor of that stitching. Now I have 2 of them. The circles or the O's, I should say, are chain stitched. And the X's are a back stitch. Comment down below if you want to have a tutorial on the different types of stitching, because I can do tons of different stitchings. I know how to do the French knot, and I know how to do like the line stitches, the different types of line stitching. My grandma taught me all of that when I was growing up, and I can embroider like no tomorrow. Okay, apparently my computer wants to give me some trouble, so I'm sorry about the cutting in and out of the layouts or of the voiceover. So I'm just going through and I'm finishing up all of the little pieces that I want to add. I added some of these to the layout because I'm using the XOXO as an extension to like the background. So I don't mind if I'm covering it up like I said before. It's okay to cover them up because really it's my background and it's really not a focal point. The photo for me is the focal point, and so I wanted to capture that more than the XOXO in the background. So it just all depends on how you want to use it. Now everybody on the design team has produced some type of stitched layout for this month of June. So make sure that you go check out everybody along with everybody at the shop. All of the cut files are there. I will link the group, the cut file shop, this particular cut file directly so you can get to it down in the description box down below. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It's free. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and that like button saying that you do like this. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. Normally during the summertime it may get a little bit heavier just because I want to knock some things out because I'm not in school in the month of July for sure. But I am also working on putting down all these little dogs and everything and whatnot. And I'm probably going to start my... I'm just going to throw this out there. I'm probably going to start some Christmas layouts just because I like to stay caught up. I got to see how many I have. Like normally I always do Christmas in July, but I may not this year because I really didn't do much because Josh ended up being gone. So that kind of made us just stay home a little bit more. And this year and this year too, was COVID related, so there wasn't as much to do because it was, still December yet, and we weren't quite in the mood to start going out. So I got out the enamel dots and whatnot. So you may see, I was just letting you know that the enamel dots are, so you may see some Christmas in July stuff come. I have to just see how many. So be on the lookout for that to at least get started. I do at least like 4 or 5 layouts in the month of July just to say Christmas in July, and then the rest always come in December. The still shots are definitely coming up. I'm rounding out with Sunset Strip and some splatters. If you are new, I would love to have you. Like I said, I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. Hit that like and subscribe button. And yeah, the still shots are definitely coming up. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.